Tealium AudienceStream is our second offering into the market and focuses on collecting, correlating, and enriching event-level data and turning it into visitor profiles, and most importantly, making that data actionable. The first piece to AudienceStream is the process of enrichment. Enrichment can occur in real time as data flows into the system via websites, native mobile apps, connected devices, and the Internet of Things, or in batch process via omnichannel inputs. Attributes are at the core of the way that the system works. Tealium focuses in on collecting all of that rich event-level data through Tealium IQ or any other data source and turning that into meaningful insights. We do that by adding attributes. Tealium AudienceStream has access to the entire data layer from Tealium IQ and uses a point-and-click interface to define how we want to identify key insights and behaviors about our visitors. And these are our building blocks for building out attributes. And then badges are the most powerful of all the attributes. Badges allow us to focus in on assigning our own business nomenclature, personas, or segment values to individual users. You're a VIP because your lifetime value is over $500, a tire kicker because you constantly come to the site and you never buy anything. And building these is really, really simple. Next piece, maybe we'll build out a number. So let's go ahead and build out another visitor attribute. For this number, we're going to build up lifetime value. And lifetime value is going to be an increment of order total via the data layer. And once again, we're going to tap into the data layer. We're going to look for a variable called order total. I'm just going to type in the word total here. I got a bunch of options, but there's order total. On our confirmation page, if you spend money with us, that gets incremented. I click finish, and I'm off and running. Every single customer is now going to have lifetime value. Now, of course, you probably have some customer data already, and so we allow our customers to upload all of the data that they have around their customers into the system. So you can prime the system with lifetime value and history of what people have purchased, anything that you have about them, right into the system. And we allow you to do it in a really simple way. One less piece here, we'll just add one more attribute. That attribute is going to be a visitor-based attribute, and we're going to make a VIP badge. And our VIP badge is going to be anybody with a lifetime value of over $500. And this is going to be lifetime value of over 500. We allow you to assign an image, little play on gamification here. And then, once again, add the enrichment. Tell Tealium when to assign the VIP badge. So I'm going to create a rule. This is my VIP rule. And I'm going to use the lifetime value that we just built together. Here's lifetime value. And I'm going to say, okay, if lifetime value is greater than a value of 500, you get assigned the badge. And by the way, if your lifetime goes below that, let's say you return something, you'll remove the badge as well. So now we've got our VIP badge, we've got lifetime value, we've got a tally that we've built up, and as you can tell, it's really, really simple to build these attributes out. You can build as many of them as you like. The next piece is to create an audience. And an audience of users are simply a bunch of users that have attributes in common. How about our VIP cart abandoners? Well, all I have to do is say, great, if you have that VIP badge that we just built together, and you can create and or statements with a point-and-click interface, and you just recently abandoned your cart, you're of interest to us, and we are going to engage you. I'm all done. Everyone who now qualifies for this audience is made actionable. Next, I get to act. This takes us to our connector marketplace. We've built out APIs with some of the most powerful systems out there. Analytics tools, display ad vendors, email marketing systems, personalization engines, social systems, etc. Now what we can do is we can take this audience of users and activate on them. Maybe the first thing we want to do is we want to send them out an email marketing campaign. So we might go to our friends over at ExactTarget, add that connector. This is going to be my VIP cart step 1. If I put in my API here, that would open up the integration with ExactTarget. This drop-down menu exposes all of the native functionality of the Salesforce ExactTarget Marketing Cloud. I can send emails to users, I can remove them from lists, I can even update their data extensions, which is the way that they store customer data. And all of these APIs we built have the same level of functionality, depending, of course, on what they expose. So I want to send an email to a user. This action name is called VIP cart step Step 1, my source, this is my single source of truth. All of my VIP cart abandoners. Now, if my integration was complete with ExactTarget, I would expose all of my email templates within our user interface, as well as the business units. So now you don't have to constantly pivot between multiple systems. Leverage all of the great work you've done in your email service provider and use Tealium as the trigger mechanism. So I want to do this in real time, so I'm going to do it if they're in the audience at the end of visit, right? So 30 minutes, time's out, the session's over, you did not complete your purchase and you're a VIP, you just got an email from ExactTarget. The beauty of Tealium is that we have direct integrations into these vendors. So when that user comes back and finishes the conversion, they lose that cart abandoner badge, which removes them from the audience. And we tell those 3 marketing tools, stop engaging that customer. We've achieved our goal. We no longer need to engage them. Come back to our dashboards and we can analyze what's happened. All of our audiences growing, all of our badges being assigned, conversion happening, and it's a virtuous cycle at this point. Thanks for taking a look at AudienceStream, and let us know if you have any questions.